One of those mornings you feel like you forgot something. What did I forget? Hopefully nothing. Oh yeah, so I changed up the camera format. Really curious if this changes anything aspect-wise. I took off Super View, so right now I'm running 720 normal wide angle, and I bumped up the frame rate to 120, so maybe things will look smoother. Not sure. Won't know till today when I get home and download the footage. But yeah. It's a nice morning. 70 degrees. Slight wind as always. I mean, Windy Fork is what they should have called this place instead of Spanish Fork. You can go in just about any other town in Utah, and I doubt you get this much wind. We must just be situated at the perfect spot to get as much wind as we get. Oh man, those clouds look awesome over there. I tell you, one of the things I miss about the helmet cam is the first person perspective. You know, basically when I look, the camera looks. I do miss that. I thought about putting the helmet cam back on this helmet, but I talked about it before with my previous helmet's damage that was caused by the GoPro mount. I'm a little hesitant to throw the mount back on this helmet. Basically the straps, where the straps were tightened onto the helmet, I had dropped the helmet and it caused little minor or micro cracks in the helmet right where the straps were. Which is why I ended up getting this new helmet. And this new helmet's a little more expensive than my old helmet. My old helmet was just a $25 basic Bell helmet from Costco. From the Costco. My new helmet is the Giro Savant. Much more breathable. It's funny too, because like you look at the designs of the helmets, and I almost wonder if my old Bell helmet wasn't designed after this Giro helmet, because I think they actually look a lot alike. But comfort wise, the Giro is much more comfortable. The number one, the biggest difference is the padding. The old Bell helmet didn't have padding, period. It had what looks like the stuff that holds padding with no actual paddingness to it. We'll make this light. We'll make it, we'll make it, we'll make it, we'll make it. Ah. Barely. That's one thing that I guess kind of a non sequitur here, going from helmets to bikes. I guess it's all riding gear, right? Man, between the full moon still in the sky and the sun and the clouds all coming together right now, the sky is absolutely gorgeous this morning. I don't need to be in a hurry. I don't know why I'm trying to go so fast all the time. I do like to take this corner fast though. Ooh. Oh, I'm in hard gear. I'm in a really hard gear. Still in the big ring when I came through there. Normally I shift down. Ooh, sun's just right. Yeah, these are the mornings, or this is the time of year I should say, that I really like for the morning. It's just that nice, perfect, like, feel to the air. Typically, you know, this only lasts for a few weeks, and then we start going into our cooling trend. That cooling trend is the preparation for winter. Winter is coming. I don't know if the camera picks that sky up or not. You can see the moon and all the clouds and stuff. I don't know. Ooh. Highway patrol's up on the freeway speeding down the road. So this, right now, this speed, this is the speed that I like to cruise at. So about 23, 24 miles per hour. To me, this is about where I feel the most comfortable. Man, that bird was really getting it. Early morning, huh? Hey baby, wake up. I loves you. There's something wrong with you, Scrag.